Hello everybody, we're going to do a few exercises with circles dealing with radius, diameter, and circumference. For numbers 1 through 6, we're to find the circumference of the circle with the given radius or the given diagonal. Now remember, the circumference can be found by just taking 2 times the radius, or 2 times the radius times pi, don't forget pi in there, or the diameter times pi. Okay, so here we're given the radius. 2 times the radius is 16. So we have 16 pi, and plugging that in the calculator yields 50.27 centimeters. As the directions say, round to the hundredths. Okay, for number 2, the radius is 3 square root of 2. So we take that times 2 and get 6 square root of 2 times pi. In the calculator, it yields 26.66 feet. Okay, and then 3, the radius again, 4.1 times 2. The circumference, the radius would be times 2 is 8.2 pi. Putting that in the calculator, we get 25.76 centimeters. Okay, and then number 4, we change gears a little bit. The diameter is 10. The circumference then is just the diameter times pi, 10 pi, 31.42 inches. Number 5, the diameter is 1/3. Circumference is 1/3 times pi, also known as pi over 3. Calculator, pi divided by 3, 1.05 meters. For number 6, the diameter is 18. Circumference then is 18 pi. Then in the calculator we get 56.55 yards. Okay, for numbers 7, 8, 9, 10, directions say the radius, diameter, or circumference is given. Find the missing measures to the nearest hundredths. Okay, the radius is 4, diameter is twice that, 8 centimeters. Okay, circumference is the diameter times pi, so 8 pi. In the calculator we have 25.13 and centimeters. Okay, for number 8, the radius is 6, or the diameter is 6. That means the radius is half that, 3 feet. Circumference is 6 times pi. In the calculator, 6 times pi yields 18.85 feet. Okay, number 9, the radius is 12, diameter is twice that, 24 centimeters. Circumference is 75.40. Again, how we got that, took the diameter 24 times pi, so 24 times pi, 75.40. Number 10, the diameter is 15, the radius is half that, 7.5 inches. Circumference is 15 pi, and the calculator 47.12 inches. Okay, for number 11, find the exact circumference of each circle. Okay, so the circumference, remember, diameter times pi. We need to find the diameter. The diameter is acting as the hypotenuse of this right triangle inscribed in the circle. So if we apply the Pythagorean theorem, 5 squared plus 12 squared will equal the diameter squared. Okay, and then to solve this, if we take the square root of 25 plus 144, that's the square root of 169, which is 13. Okay, so you know the diameter is 13. To find the circumference of this, it's 13 pi. And we're going to leave it pi because notice the directions said find the exact, no decimals, no rounding. Okay, for number 12, we have another situation of an inscribed triangle. This is a 45, 45, 90 triangle, and the ratio of 45, 45, 90, if you have the legs, the hypotenuse is square root of 2 times the length of the leg. So here we have the hypotenuse acting as the diameter. Square root of 2 times square root of 2 is just 2. Let's get this written here. There we go, 2 centimeters. To find the circumference, diameter times pi, 2 pi cm, centimeters. And there we are.